Welcome. 18th January 2021, Article 1 of the Hindu. Injecting confidence. India must ensure appraisal of its powers of the vacancy is disseminated widely. India began the largest vaccination drive in the history of over 2 lakh people vaccinated across the country in 3,350 sessions on the first day. Covishield, manufactured by the Serum Institute of India, was available in all the states, whereas only 12 states had vaccination site where Bharat Biotech Covaxin was administered. In the first tranche of vaccine, there are 11 million doses of Covishield and 5.5 million of Covaxin that will be administered to healthcare workers, sanitation workers, and municipal workers in coming days. The first day of the vaccine program, inaugurated by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, included ceremonial inclusion across the country. It is significant that India has not lagged behind any other country in ensuring that frontline personnel stand to get vaccinated. It is only a year since the first report of the novel coronavirus approaching India surfaced, and that just 12 subsequent months of uncertainty, tragedy, and upheaval have been resulted in promising vaccine with the potential to save many lives and spark hope and optimism in millions. This is commendable achievement. However, one cannot lose sight of the fact that this is a marathon. The optimism of day one has almost no bearing on the day that lie ahead. India's immediate plan, as has been announced, is to inoculate 3 crore frontline health workers and later 27 crore of those most vulnerable to the disease by July. A lot is expected to change even before this deadline, establishing the efficacy based on final analysis of the phase 3 trials and full licensure may take months. Till then, it is rational and scientific on the part of anyone to choose or deadline a vaccine on the basis of whether the potential risk outweighs the benefit. Given India's experience with childhood immunization and administering millions of those is extremely diverse graphical conditions, there is reasonable confidence that the country has an executive ability to scale up vaccination. The approval of vaccine earlier this month has been divisions among scientists and doctors themselves on a strategy of government promoting both Covishield and Covaxin as their equivalent to one another. They are not. Covaxin has been administered as a part of clinical trial and its efficiency is not established. All the vaccines on offer in the United States or the United Kingdom have some inefficient, nonetheless efficacy data, and therefore inspired greater confidence rather than dismiss concern as rumor mongering and political motivated. The government has to work doubly hard to ensure that an honest appraisal of the vaccine prowess of a rapidly decimated those lining up for shots and adults, and a significant fraction of them far more medically literate than the average Indian, and all arms of the government must treat them so. It is the experience that will percolate and influence adoption of vaccine among the larger population. Thank you.